Hello students, I am Shraddha Vaghani, your maths educator from Countryside International School.
Hi everyone. What are you doing in your lockdown period? I hope you are doing amazing things. Today's session we will start with a story. As you can see students, I have come up with two friends named Dev and Deep. Their mother told them that she would give them points if they complete their work on time. That is, if they do their prayers on time, they will get 1 point. If they keep their blankets on place, they'll get 1 point. Keeping the used dishes in basin will fetch them another point. Being in discipline will give them 2 points. Helping mom in daily routine will give them an 1 point. And at the end of the week, she will open up the piggy bank wherein all the points are collected and see that who has got how many points. This is how the mother keeps the two kids involved. Now the week passed by and at the last day they opened up the piggy bank and found that Dev has collected 15 points. Deep has collected 9 points. Now seeing at the numbers, can you guess out who has collected more points? Yes, it's Dev. Dev is the winner of the game as Dev has collected more points than Deep. As you see students, only by comparing two numbers, we can find out which number is greater than which number. So, in today's session, we are going to study about comparing numbers. As in the story, you saw that Dev has collected 15 points and Deep has collected 9 points. And Dev is the winner because Dev has more number of digits than Deep. So can I say the number with more number of digits is greater than the number with less number of digit? In the same way, you can say that this number which has more digit, it has how many digits this number has? It has 5 digits, right? This number has 3 digits. So this number will always be greater. That is, the digit with more numbers, that is 5 digit, will always be greater than 3 digit number. Now let's see about the numbers which have same number of the digits. Here I have taken one example with two numbers. The numbers are having same number of digit. Have a look. We have 5 digit here, we have 5 digit here. So how to compare these two numbers? Yes, we'll start with comparing of these number. We'll start with the extreme left side of the number. What is the number to the extreme left of this number? It is 3. The number to the extreme right of the second number is 1. So for deciding which number is greater, we will first compare the extreme right digit of each number respectively. Here we have 3 and here we have 1. Obviously 3 is greater than 1. So I'll not see the rest of the digit in the number and directly come to the conclusion that the number having the greater digit will be greater than the number which has the smaller digit. So, as 3 is greater than 1, the number 34,567 will be greater than 12,438. Now let's take another example which has same number of digits. Just have a look, children. The first number is 34,567 and the second number is 30,438. 576. For comparing these two numbers, we will start from the extreme left. As I said before, the extreme left. In the first number, it's 3. And in the second number, it's 3 again. So, 3 is equal to 3. Now, what I'll do? I'll switch on to the next number. That is 4 in the first number and 0 in the second number. I'll compare the second digit place, that is the thousands place. 4 from the first number and 3 from the second number. You know, student, 4 is greater than 0. So, I'll not see the rest of the number, that is 567. I'll not compare 567 and 576 here. I'll just directly come to a conclusion that as 4 is greater than 0, the number 34,567 will be greater than the number 30,576. Moving on to the next example. Here also we have 5 digit in the first number and 5 digit in the second number. So for comparing, I'll start from the extreme left, as I said you before, and see that in the first number it's 3, in the second number is also 3. I'll switch on to the next digit. The next digit is 4 in the first number, and here also it's 4 in the second number. Then, as it is same, I'll switch on to the next number, 5 here, and here it's also 5. So, I'll switch on to the next number. In the tens place, we have 6 here, and here we have 1. As the digits are different, we will start comparing. So, you know, students, 6 is greater than 1. So, I'll directly come to a conclusion that the number 34,567 is greater than the number 34,510. Always remember the rule, students. The rule says the crocodile eats the bigger number. What is the rule? The crocodile will eat up the bigger number. See this diagram. The crocodile's mouth is open. Open mouth will have the bigger number, and the shutted point will have the smaller number. Now we will move on to the next topic. My next topic is successor and predecessor. What's the meaning of the word successor? The word says that somebody which is after somebody is known as the successor. Something which is after something is known as successor. Or some number which is after some number is known as the successor of the number. Let me clear out with an example. Let's take the example of your roll number. Suppose your roll number is 25. So, what will be the successor of the roll number 25? It will be the number which is after the number. What is the number after 25? Yes, it is 26. So, the successor of the number 25 will be 26. Correct? Are you getting, students, what's the meaning of successor? Now, let's move on to the next term, that is predecessor. Predecessor means the before number or the before person. Suppose your roll number is 25. So what will be the predecessor of your roll number 25? It will be the before number, or can I say one less than your number? So the predecessor of 25 will be 24. Let's move on to an example. Let's take one number. The number is 3,456. Can you guess out what is the successor of the number? Yes, it will be one more than the number. Let's represent it in the number line. Here, I have drawn a number line representing the number. The number 3456 is represented here. The successor of the number will be one more than the number or the number next to the number. That is 3457. Clear with it? Now let's find the predecessor of the number. The number is 3457. Representing it in the number line, we have this here. The predecessor will be 1 less than the number or the number before the given number, that is 3456. So can I say the predecessor of 3457 will be 1 less than the number, that is 3456. Are you clear with it, student? Let's solve some more examples. The first number is 28,180. Now what will be the predecessor of this number? Yes, it will be 1 less than the number. That is 28,179. What is the successor of the number? It will be 1 more than the number. That is 28,181. The next question, 4,27,677. What will be the predecessor? Can I say it will be the before number? The before number of 4,27,677 will be 4,27,676. And the successor of this number will be the after number of this number. What is that? It will be 4,27,678. The next question, 8,23,200. The predecessor of this number will be 1 less than the number, that is 8,23,199, and the successor will be 1 more than the number, that is 8,23,201. Till now, in this chapter, students, we have covered up Hindu Arabic and International Place Value System, and then we have covered up comparing numbers and successor and predecessor. I am not going to leave you without a task. So let me give you some interesting question. Just have a look. Say this number, students. What comes to your mind just looking at this number? Or what is the importance or the significance of this number in your life? Let me know by writing your comment in the YouTube channel. Thank you.